guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is Plan With Me Monday. Today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I'm going to be doing the monthly spread of April. And I found these beautiful free printable stickers from lifewithmayra.com. I will put her link down below. She has all kinds of free printables on her blog. So here's the first page there. There's full boxes and the titles up here with the days of the week. There's a really special box for Easter. And then here there's some check boxes and the dates, some washi strips, and then a bunch of functional stickers down here, as well as some half boxes and some little flags. So they're just so pretty, and I wanted to include them in my monthly spread, which I don't do a lot on a process video, but I decided to do that for this week. So stay tuned and we'll clear things off and get started. Alright guys, so here's my final spread. I think it turned out super beautiful. I really love these free printables, so go check out Myrna's blog site. And The link will be down below. So if you love this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.